What's going on with y'all, man? Today, we finna be installing some clears. I don't know how they gonna look, but we finna see. So, let's take a look at them. How they look. And they give you your own bulbs. They give you bulbs to come with it. First thing you're gonna need to do is take out these 8mm bolts. And you got one right here, then you got one right here. All right, that's the finished result. I ain't gonna lie, let me know what y'all think. These junk hard though. Alright, so what I'm finna do is, I'm finna put these wheels back on. Just to see how they look with the clear taillights. But they look good with the black though. Turned out they ain't even have my size, so I ain't gonna worry about it. Well, I appreciate y'all for watching. For the next video, I had the other wheels on. They really need cleaning though. That's the only thing.